الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم.
Please raise your right hand for the pledge.
Today's thought of the day is worldly life is short, so turn to God before you return to God. الحياة الدنيوية كثيرة جدا لذا استدير إلى الله قبل أن تعود إلى الله.
Good morning. Today's headlines. International news. Saad Al-Hamad, spokesman of the Ministry of Human Resources and Social Development, announced on Twitter that September 23, 2021 will be a holiday for public and private sectors on the occasion of the National Day.
Historical places in Saudi Arabia are Hagar, Madin Saleh, Al Hassa, Al Tarif district, rock art in Hail region. Number 1. Hagar, Madin Saleh. It's located in the western side of the Saudi Arabia. It was built by the Nabateans in the 1st century BC and ancient city.
So today I would like to deliver a speech about Saudi National Day. The Kingdom of Saudi Arabia was known as the Kingdom of Najd and Hijaz. On September 23, 1932, by a virtue of the royal decree from King Abdulaziz ibn
सुप्रभात आदरणीय शिक्षक और मेरे प्यारे मित्रों, सऊदी राष्ट्र दिवस के इस शुभ अवसर पर मैं आप सबको इस दिन की खूब खूब शुभकामनाएं देना चाहता हूँ। इस दिन पर 1932 में किंग अब्दुल
It is a day engraved in the memory of the history, inscribed in the thought and conscience of every Saudi citizen.
Proudly present you a slideshow on Saudi Arabia and its culture. Now let's see and enjoy.
Good morning everybody. Now I am going to ask you quiz questions related to Saudi Arabia. When was Saudi Arabia proclaimed as kingdom? Option 1, 10th March 1902. Option 2, 19th May 1914. Option 3, 23rd September 1932. Option 4, 14th October 1948.
Option 3.
Thank you.